So I'm just gonna play, watching my eyes go away, doctor, I play, watching my eyes go away, doctor, I play, watching my eyes go away.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, guys. We are back with another one. And right now we are rolling into spring. So you guys tend to see around the spring, I try to do some flowers or, herb or spice wines or whatever like that so far that you've seen on the channel. And this one right here has been long overdue, and I am bringing you Elderflower Wine today. This is a classic wine in the wine community, fruit wine community, whatever you want to say, that a lot of people has made or they make. It's a very delicate wine, and this is a very beautiful wine. It tastes good fresh, and it also tastes good dry. And like I said, it's something that you can drink on during the spring, and you can also drink on this one during the summer. The turnaround time on it isn't that long, 3 to 6 months, and I'll say at least 6 months you should have you a nice sipping wine. And like I said, even before that, because this one doesn't take any time at all. But anyway, let's go ahead and go over the ingredients. We will be using 2 ounces of dried elderflowers. You can also use about 4 to 5 cups of fresh elderflowers. But I'll tell you one thing, guys, doing fresh elderflowers is a lot of work. Believe me, because I had some, contact or whatever you want to say, a little experience in doing that, and it takes a minute. So we have that. We are also using half a pound of raisins. We will be using 2 lemons, the zest and the juice from the lemons. And this is also our acid. We are using 1 bag of black tea. That's for our tannin. We are using 4 cups of sugar, which is roughly around 2 pounds. And we will be using half a teaspoon of yeast nutrient. I don't have that out right now, but I just want to let y'all know we will be using that. And right here in the back, we have our pre-poured water, 1 gallon of water. And for this, for the tools, we will be using our juicer. We have our hydrometer and our graduated cylinder in the back. Pitcher, of course. Our cowboy with our airlock and our bung. We have the grater, grinder, zester, whatever you people want to call it, doesn't matter. But we have that to get our lemon zest. And we also have our pot. So that's basically it, guys. Like I said, I do my best to try to keep it short for you guys. And with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get on to this process. All right, guys, so I'm back, and I'll just go ahead and give you the reading first. I know you really can't see it, but we have an OG reading at about 1.088, so it's right around 1.090, which is fine. Like I said, that's the range that we want to be in. And I'm going to set this to the side. Hopefully it don't fall, but if it does, ain't no big deal. Anyway, yeah. Oh no, I gotta set it up straight up. Got me looking like I'm special around here. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and add our yeast nutrient and put up in here. Now I know you guys looking at this like, wait a minute, that don't look like your typical yeast nutrient. Well, it is, and that's the one we use in the day, and that's 1 teaspoon. Now, if you want to substitute bread yeast, that's fine. All you have to do is take that 1 teaspoon of bread yeast and put it up in the bowl, and that'll work just fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour our elderflower tea in our cowboy here, and then we'll be going to the next step. So be right back. Okay guys, as usual, we have come to the end of the video. So the only thing left we have is the yeast. So we're going to go ahead and put our 1/2 teaspoon of yeast, and we're just using 1/4 more than we normally do to just give our wine a fair start, but it should be fine, especially since we put the yeast nutrient in there. And we're just going to go ahead and get our airlock and put up in here. And once again, we are done. It's not too much more to be said, other than we're just going to give it the amount of time that it needs to get done. And like I said once before, when this is finished fermenting, we're going to rack it. We're going to go ahead and taste it to see if we need to back sweeten it. Once again, you can back sweeten it to your liking as far as how sweet that you would like your elderflower wine. You can use any type of sugar you like, demerara, muscovado. You can even use honey or regular white table sugar, or you can just leave it dry. But anyways, like I said, I'm not gonna ramble on. Just wanted to throw some side notes there. We are done, guys, and thank you for joining me on the dock. I really appreciate it, and I hope you come back and see another one. All right, guys, bye.